Chapter 5. Nutrients in Food. Let's learn sources of food, categories of food, water, junk food, preservation of food. When we come back home from school, we feel hungry and ask for food. Our body needs energy to move, work and play. This energy comes from food. Food is essential for all living things. It helps us to grow and to fight diseases. When we sleep, our body uses energy to keep internal organs like the heart, stomach, brain and lungs working. Where do we get this food from? Let us find out. Sources of food. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. Plants are our biggest source of food. They give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oilseeds, spices, tea and coffee. Animals give us milk, eggs, meat and honey. Categories of food. Different types of food nutrients can be classified according to their functions into the following categories. 1. Energy-giving foods, carbohydrates and fats. 2. Body-building foods, proteins. 3. Protective foods, vitamins and minerals. 4. Roughage. 1. Energy-giving foods, carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. They are composed of simplex and complex sugars. Our body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose to give us energy. These nutrients give us quick energy when we are playing, exercising and working. That is why eating a large amount of carbohydrates is necessary for those people who work hard. Sources of carbohydrates: rice, wheat, bread and sugar, potatoes, sweet potatoes and sweets. Info Hive. There are two types of carbohydrates, sugars and starches, which our body breaks down into a simple form of sugar called glucose. Fats. Fats are also energy-giving food. They give us more energy than carbohydrates. Our body needs very little fats. Consumption of fat in excess is not good for health as they get stored in the body and increase body weight. Sources of fat. Animal fats, butter, cheese, milk, fish oil and meat. Vegetable fats, mustard oil, coconut oil, sesame oil and sunflower oil. Nuts, almonds, groundnuts, cashew nuts, pistachios. 2. Body-building foods, proteins. Proteins are the body-building blocks that help your body to grow and repair itself. Proteins are needed not only for muscles but also for hair, skin and internal organs. When we get hurt or bruised, proteins help us to repair worn-out or damaged cells. Sources of protein. Animal sources, milk, eggs and meat. Plant sources, pulses, beans, soybean, etc. 3. Protective foods, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic substances present in small amounts in a variety of foods. They are required for carrying out the vital functions of the body. Although they are needed in small amounts, they are necessary to keep us healthy and protect us from diseases. Sources of vitamins. Animal sources, milk, egg and meat. Plant sources, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Functions of vitamins. Vitamin D in milk, egg yolk, cod liver oil, fish is good for strong bones and muscles. Vitamin A in carrots, fish and eggs is good for eyesight. Vitamin C in oranges, lemons and tomatoes is good for the bones, teeth, gums and skin. Vitamin B in leafy green vegetables, soybean, banana, eggs, milk, legumes is good for the heart and nerves. Info Hive. Vitamin C helps heal cuts and wounds faster because it keeps connective tissues in the skin healthy. Minerals. A large number of minerals are present in the body. They are required in small quantities and are obtained from food. Some of these minerals are calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. Calcium and phosphorus are essential for making bones and teeth strong. Iron is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin in our blood. Deficiency of iron leads to anemia. Sources of minerals. Calcium in milk, yogurt, cheese, eggs, and soybean is good for building strong bones. Phosphorus in garlic, sunflower seeds, corn, broccoli, bananas, and fish helps the muscles to work. Iron in apple juice, brinjal, dried fig, spinach, apricot, carrot, and beetroot helps in building up our teeth, bones, and blood. 4. Roughage. The fibrous material of the fruits, vegetables, and other food which cannot be digested by the body is called roughage. It has no nutritive value, but it prevents constipation and helps in the smooth movement of the digested food in intestines. Sources of roughage. Raw vegetables, fruits, mashed corn, coarse wheat, etc. are good sources of roughage. Water. Our body contains about 70% of water. Every vegetable also contains water. Water is an essential component of food. It plays an important role in the body's system. Sources of water. Apart from drinking water, we can also obtain water from drinks such as fruit juices, coffee, tea, and milk. We can also get water from vegetables and ripe fruits. Balanced diet. A diet containing all the essential nutrients in required quantities is known as a balanced diet. It is necessary for the proper growth and functioning of the body. A balanced diet contains energy-giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods in sufficient quantities. The food pyramid helps us to eat a variety of food in proper amounts every day to get all the nutrients we need to grow strong and big, and at the same time to get the right amount of calories in energy. Junk food. Any food that has poor nutritional value and has high fat or sugar levels is known as junk food. Junk food is easy to carry, purchase, and consume. Junk food has empty calories. An empty calorie lacks in micronutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but has high energy, that is calories. Burger, pizza, chips, wafers, cold drinks, pasta, etc. are junk food items. Preservation of food. If you take a piece of bread, wet it with a few drops of water and leave it outside for a few days, what do you think will happen? You will see thread-like structures growing on bread, which is a type of mold. When food comes in direct contact with air and moisture, molds and germs begin to grow on it. This food is bad for health and may cause food poisoning. We can preserve food for a long time by many techniques. Methods of food preservation. Boiling. Boiling food items such as milk and water helps to kill germs. Refrigeration and freezing. Refrigerating and freezing help to preserve food for a longer time. Canning. Packing cooked food in airtight cans is also an effective way of preserving food. Many food items such as grams, vegetables, fish, and even cooked food are canned and sold. Recap. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Proteins are the building blocks that help our body to grow and repair itself. Calcium and phosphorus are essential for making bones and teeth strong. A diet containing all the nutrients in required quantities is known as a balanced diet.